Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter of our computer, that is uses of computer. Now we have used computer, we use computer at our homes, offices, schools, malls, so many places. So it has so many uses that we'll learn in this chapter today. So let's begin with uses of computer at different places. At home, in schools, in hospitals, in markets, in banks, in scientific research, at railway stations and airports, in designing, in publishing. So let's just start the chapter.
Kitty, look at that shopkeeper. He is using a computer. Yes, these days computers are being used at many places for different purposes. Let's find out some other places where computers are being used. Uses of computer at different places. At home. It is used to play music and to watch movies. It is used to play video games and to do homework. It helps in keeping records of household expenses. In schools. It is used to prepare report cards. It is used to teach students in an interesting way. It is also used to print various reports of the students and other information. In hospitals, it is used by the doctors to diagnose diseases. It is used to keep the history of the patients. It is also used to print medical reports. In markets, computers are used to keep records of all the items in the shop. They are used in shops for making bills of the items purchased by the customers. In banks, it helps us to withdraw money from ATM. It is used to maintain the accounts of the customers. In scientific research, computer helps in designing robots. It helps in weather forecasting. It also helps in controlling satellites. At railway stations and airports, the air and railway reservations are done through computers. Computer provides information about the flight and train timings. In designing, it helps architects to design the map of buildings, houses, etc. It also helps in designing clothes, advertisements, movies, animations, etc. In publishing, it helps in designing and printing books, newspapers, magazines, etc.